Good morning, students. Today we'll study about demographic transition theory, and it's a general model which describes the evolution of the levels of fertility and mortality over time. Now, it was given by W.S. Thompson and Frank W. Notenstein. We can see Thompson and Notenstein gave it in 1945, and this theory postulates a special pattern of demographic transformation from a high fertility and high mortality to a low fertility and low mortality stage. Now, what we can understand by this sentence, that there's a stage where the population is having high fertility and high mortality. In other words, we can say that high fertility is when the birth rate is high, and high mortality is when the death rate is high. Now, there's a stage when both these fertility and mortality are at a high rate, and then there's a stage where both the indexes, both these calculations, they become very low. So this theory is based on three hypotheses. Hypothesis says that the decline in mortality comes before the decline of fertility. That is, death rate becomes low before birth rate. Why it happens, we'll study in the theory itself, but the thing is, it maintains three hypotheses. What is the hypothesis number one? The hypothesis number one says that the death rate decreases first in comparison to the birth rate, and the birth rate declines to match the mortality. That is, the birth rate declines and it matches to the death rate. Now, demographic transformation and is due to social and economic transformation. When there is social change, when there is economic change in the society, when urbanization takes place, when industrialization takes place, people are engaged in jobs, then the demographic structure changes. So, G.T. Trivartha has given 4 stages of demographic transition, and he has very well explained this. We'll take a diagram for this. What the diagram says, first of all, we'll study what is all about. There are 4 stages, and the 4 stages, what they say, this red line indicates total population, and this breaking red line is indicating birth rate, and this blue line is indicating death rate. Now, the first thing is first stage, and this axis is showing birth rate and death rate per 1000 persons. Now, what is the first stage? First stage is 35 birth per 1000 persons, 35 deaths per 1000 persons. Now, what we can see in this, that this breaking line is the birth rate. Now, it is near to 35 or maybe 37. Now, this is stable. In this particular stage, it is stable, and even the death rate is around 35-37. So, this stage is in the agrarian society, the underdeveloped, developing countries where there is no urbanization, industrialization. So, the birth rate and death rate, both the rates are high, but the population is what? Population is stable. Population, this red line is marking the population growth, The red line is stable, almost stable. Now in the second stage we can see that the red line is slightly moving ahead and it is showing growth. Now why it is showing growth, population growth? It is showing population growth because the birth rate remains the same. Birth rate is 35 per 1000 persons, that is 35 births per 1000 persons. It is stable, but the death rate, that is the death rate has fallen. Why it has fallen? Because there are better sanitation facilities, better hospitals, medicines are available, the economic structure is improved. So this is the second stage. Early, it can be known as early expanding stage. The countries like Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Ghana, Morocco, all these countries show this type of early expanding stage. The first one was high stationary stage. First one was high, that is high stationary stage, and the second one is early expanding stage. We can see early expanding stage. Now early expanding stage where the birth rates are high but the death rates are decreasing. Now the third stage. What is the third stage? Third stage shows birth rate and the death rate. What happens to this? You can see in the graph that death rate is coming low. Where it is? It is around, where it is around 20 is the birth rate and death rate is also around 20 or maybe 15. So this stage is known as late expanding stage. Whether because of this the population is increasing at a very high rate, it is all because of the process of industrialization, urbanization and modernization. There is an industrial urban society which is developing, and because of this the birth rate has become low and the death rate is also become low. People are educated, they are into industrial field, urbanized societies are there, so both mortality rate and both fertility rate have decreased. Now because of this death rate has become low and birth rate has become low. Now what is the last stage? This is known as late expanding stage. Okay, now the fourth stage. What is the fourth stage? Fourth stage is known as low stationary stage. What the fourth stage is known as? Low stationary stage. Low stationary stage, that means in the first stage and in the last stage the birth rate and death rates are becoming stable. How they are becoming stable? That is, we can see now the birth rate and death rate. It is, both of them are decreasing. Here it was stable, here it is stable, and this is death rate which is becoming low and birth rate is also becoming low, and because of this the population has what? It has stabilized. What it is? It has stabilized. Here also it was stabilized because it's showing a straight line here, almost a straight line, and here also it is showing almost a straight line. where we can see the low stationary stage. The low stationary stage is basically where the family size is usually small, where labor is skilled, where there is high literacy and education levels, where the high standard of living is prevailing there. So what are the countries? We can name a few countries like USA, maybe European countries, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Russia. All these countries are having a high standard of living. Because of this, and also the medical facilities are very nice. They are at par standard. Because of that, the death rate has fallen and the birth rate has also fallen. They are into very small families, nuclear families, limited population increase. Because of that, the population growth has stabilized, it's decreasing. So this is the stage where the population is stable, where it is stable here in the first stationary stage, that is high stationary stage, and the low stationary stage. But the thing is, here the birth rate is very high and the death rate is also very high. Here birth rate and death rate both have fallen. And in the second stage is what? Second stage is showing that the birth rate is high but the death rate has fallen. And there is a big difference in between this birth rate and death rate, that is marking 20% difference per 1,000 person. That is, on 1,000 people there is a difference of 20 persons. So because of this, we can say that the population is drastically, it's changing its structure. How it is changing its structure? Because the death rate has fallen and the birth rate has remained same. Because of the medical facilities, the death rate has become low. What it is, the graph is showing its downward movement, and this line is showing an upward movement, that is the population is increasing and birth rate is decreasing. Sorry, birth rate is this one, birth rate is birth rate is here 35 per 1,000. It is stable here. Now the second is this one, third stage is in this third stage, birth rate and death rate, there is a very less difference between the two. That is, the birth rate and death rate are closely, they are coming closer. That is, the difference between the birth rate and death rate is less. So they are reaching stabilization, but they haven't reached stabilization. So the last stage is where the death rate and birth rate are almost equal. So we can see that the population is, first it was high stationary stage, the population was less, but because the birth rate has increased, the population is also increased. And here in the third stage, what happened? The birth rate decreased and the death rate remains same. Because of that, the population is, the stage is, it's achieving stabilization. In the fourth stage, it has stabilized itself.